Friends, welcome to my channel Learn to Next Level. So today we will learn how to change the ringtone. So first go to settings and click on sounds and vibration, and then go to ringtone, and then you have two sim, so you will change two sim, and then you have one sim, so you do this process. But in sim 2 you also do this process, so go to sim 2 or sim 1. So I go to sim 1, and then there is, see, this is beep beep, this is so any ringtone you have to put, so you do this ringtone and you go to then sim 2 and then do the process, Bluetooth, and then come ahead, and then see your ringtone has been fixed. So anybody will call you, so in this ringtone the call will be come. And you like my video, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.